Mahal ko siya. I love him or I love her. Mahal niya ako. He or she loves me. Mahal mo ba ako? Do you love me? Mahal pa rin kita. I still love you. Lagi kitang mamahalin. I will always love you. Hindi kita makakalimutan. I will never forget you. Ikaw ang mahal ko. You are the one I love. Ikaw lang ang mahal ko. You are the only one I love. Ikaw ang buhay ko. You are my life. Ikaw ang mundo ko. You are my world. Ikaw ang gusto ko. You're the one I like. Gusto kita. I like you. Gustong gusto kita. I really like you. Nahuhulog na ang loob ko sa'yo. I'm falling for you. Nahulog na ang loob ko sa'yo. I have fallen for you. Mahal na kita. I already love you. Mahal pa rin kita. I still love you. Lagi kitang iniisip. I always think of you. Gusto kitang makasama. I want to be with you. Gusto kong marinig ang boses mo. I want to hear your voice. Masaya ako kapag kasama kita. I am happy when I'm with you. Masaya ako kapag kasama ka. I am happy when I'm with you. Gumagaan ang pakiramdam ko. I feel better. Pinapasaya mo ako. You make me feel happy. Napapangiti mo ako. You make me smile. Ikaw ang nagpapasaya sa akin. You are the one who makes me happy. Mahalaga ka sa akin. You are important to me. Pinahahalagahan kita. I value you. Iniingatan kita. I care for you. Lagi kitang aalagaan. I will always take care of you. Lagi kitang susuportahan. I will always support you. Lagi akong nandito para sa'yo. I'm always here for you. Maaasahan mo ako. You can count on me. Hindi kita iiwan. I won't leave you. Nandito lang ako. I'm just here. Kasama mo ako. I am with you. Kakampi mo ako. I'm on your side. Naniniwala ako sa'yo. I believe in you. Ipinagmamalaki kita. I am proud of you. Naiintindihan kita. I understand you. Makikinig ako sa'yo. I will listen to you. Hindi kita sasaktan. I won't hurt you. Hinding-hindi kita sasaktan. I will never hurt you. Makikinig ako sa'yo. I will listen to you. Ayokong mawala ka. I don't want to lose you. Ayokong masaktan ka. I don't want to hurt you. Hindi kita iiwan. I will not leave you. Mahal kita kahit ano paman. I love you no matter what. Mahal kita sa kabila ng lahat. I love you despite everything. Tanggap kita. I accept you. Hindi kita huhusgahan. I won't judge you. Ang sarap mong kausap. It's nice talking to you. Kampante ako. I feel at ease. Ikaw ang nagpapakilig sa akin. You make my heart flatter. Gusto ko ang ngiti mo. I like your smile. Dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Stay with me. Hawakan mo ang kamay ko. Hold my hand. Gusto kitang yakapin. I want to hug you. Gusto kong hawakan ang kamay mo. I want to hold your hand. Kailangan ko ang yakap mo. I need your hug. Lumapit ka sa akin. Come closer to me. Gusto kitang makasama araw-araw. I want to be with you every day. Gusto kong makasama ka habang buhay. I want to be with you forever. Gusto kong tumanda kasama ka. I want to grow old with you. Pangarap kong makasama ka. I dream of being with you. Kasama ka sa mga pangarap ko. You are part of my dreams. Salamat sa pagdating mo sa buhay ko. Thank you for coming into my life. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo. Thank you for your love. Salamat sa lahat. Thanks for everything. Espesyal ka sa akin. You are special to me. Wala kang katulad. There's no one like you. Ikaw lang sapat na. You alone are enough. Nasa iyo ang puso ko. My heart is with you. Wala akong ibang mahal. I don't love anyone else. Araw-araw kitang pipiliin. I will choose you every day.